Dear friends and dear customers, since September 15, DNE LASER, a global provider of intelligent manufacturing products and solutions, has officially become an independent brand worldwide. The brand's color has been upgraded from red to turquoise, symbolizing a new stage of independent development of global DNE business, while it's still wholly owned by Bystronic Group. After 17 years development, DNE has gone through the private sector from 2008 to 2016, and the joint venture with Bystronic and fully managed by Bystronic from 2016 to 2025. Now it's time to release DNE's full potential, to go global and compete and grab more market shares. This upgrade and transformation allows DNE to cover both Chinese domestic and international sheet metal processing markets, and driving into new eras. DNE means driving new eras. Turquoise blends the trustworthiness of blue with the vitality of green, representing DNE's pursuit of innovation and quality, as well as its enduring partnership and mutual trust with you, dear customers. It also embodies DNE's commitment to sustainability and dedication to a green manufacturing and low carbon development. Like an evergreen tree that renews itself each year, this distinctive hue has become the spiritual foundation upon which DNE is building its global presence. Just as a plant grows from a young green to a deep green, it represents DNE's leap from technology follower to an industrial pioneer, as well as the human journey from youth to maturity. Guided by this shade of turquoise, DNE will continue to work hand in hand with customers around the world, empowering each other through innovation and collaboration. Together, we aim to achieve long-term mutual success and further strengthen the foundation of DNE's global development.